Okay, this is a video demonstration of a beautiful Harig 6x12 hand feed surface grinder. It's equipped with a Taft Pierce 6x12 permanent magnetic chuck. And it is in absolutely gorgeous condition. The serial number is 20801. It's a 1.5 horsepower direct drive spindle drive, 208, 230, 460 volts. Everything is in excellent, really excellent condition. And it works just as it should. Very smooth, easy to use. You couldn't find a nicer machine, I don't think, if it wasn't even new. I think this is just as good as new. And by the way, the machine is on. The spindle is on. The wheel's not on, but the spindle is. Probably hasn't been used more than a few hours. I mean, there isn't even any grit inside the wheel here. The wheel housing. Just gorgeous. And it's equipped with the leveling legs for the cabinet base, a grinding wheel, table mounted wheel dresser, the wheel nut puller, and the wrench. Oh, and operator's manual. Installation, maintenance, troubleshooting, everything you need. It's a solid base, and it's just, like I said, just perfect. If you have any questions or would like to see this under power, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.